Some foods smell so strong, they can clear a room before you even take a bite. These smells might come from fermentation, bacteria, aging, or intense natural ingredients like certain fish or spices. Many of these dishes are local delicacies loved by their cultures but feared by outsiders for their aroma. The scent can be shocking at first, but many say the taste is worth the powerful smell. Food is deeply cultural, and what smells bad to one person may be delicious to another. In this video, we are counting down the 10 stinkiest foods from around the world that shock the senses. Each one has a strong reputation for sending people running or holding their nose while eating. If you enjoy food adventures, this list might make you curious, or make you lose your appetite. Some are banned on public transport, others are national treasures with deep-rooted cultural significance and pride. If this kind of unique global content fascinates you, make sure to like the video and subscribe now. 1. Surströmming. Surströmming is a Swedish delicacy made from fermented herring, famous for its unbelievably strong rotten smell. It is usually opened outdoors because the scent is so intense, it lingers for hours afterward. The fermentation process creates gases that build pressure in the can, sometimes causing it to bulge or leak. When opened, the can releases a sour, fishy, and tangy odor that many people cannot tolerate. Despite the smell, Swedes traditionally eat it with thin bread, potatoes, onions, and sour cream. Its powerful aroma has led to viral videos and challenges of people reacting to the first sniff. 2. Stinky Tofu. Stinky tofu is a fermented tofu dish known for its overwhelming smell, common in Taiwanese and Chinese cuisine. It is often compared to the smell of sewage, dirty socks, or rotting garbage depending on fermentation. Vendors usually fry it, making the odor even stronger as it fills streets during food festivals or markets. The fermentation brine contains vegetables, meat, and milk that develop a complex, sharp-smelling mixture. 3. Durian. Durian is known as the king of fruits in Southeast Asia and also the smelliest fruit in the world. Its odor has been compared to rotting onions, turpentine, sewage, or sweet garbage depending on the ripeness. Many hotels and public transport systems ban durian because of its overpowering and lingering scent. Despite the smell, durian has a creamy texture and a rich, sweet flavor adored by millions of people. The fruit's outer shell is covered in sharp spikes, making it both dangerous and memorable to handle. Durian lovers describe it as heavenly, while others gag just from smelling it at close range. It contains sulfur compounds that create the strong smell, which sticks to hands, clothes, and even refrigerators. Durian remains highly prized, especially in Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia, where it is sold fresh or frozen. 4. Verbulone. Verbulone is a French cheese known for having one of the strongest odors of any cheese worldwide. It is a soft, cow's milk cheese that is washed with beer, adding to its intense, funky aroma. The smell is often described as a combination of barnyard, old socks, and something slightly rotten. It is aged in damp cellars where bacteria grow on the rind and contribute to its powerful smell. Despite the nose-wrinkling odor, the flavor is surprisingly smooth, creamy, and mild in comparison. Cheese lovers say the strong smell adds character and complexity to an otherwise soft and approachable cheese. Verbulone is rarely found outside France, but cheese connoisseurs seek it for its legendary scent. It proves that smell alone cannot judge how delicious something might be beneath the surface. 5. Natto. Natto is a traditional Japanese dish made from fermented soybeans, known for its slimy texture and strong smell. The odor is often compared to old cheese, ammonia, or something slightly spoiled and musty. The beans are covered in sticky strings that stretch when you stir them, making them look unusual to newcomers. Despite the smell and appearance, natto is considered extremely healthy and packed with protein and probiotics. 6. Hikaro. Hikaro is a traditional Icelandic dish made from Greenland shark that has been fermented and dried for months. Because the shark's fresh meat is toxic, it must be buried, rotted, and air-dried before it is edible. The result is a chewy white meat with a smell often compared to ammonia, cleaning chemicals, or urine. It is served in small cubes, and locals recommend chasing it with a strong local alcohol called brennivin. The intense smell makes it difficult for many visitors to even bring the food near their mouths. 7. Limburger cheese. Limburger cheese is notorious for smelling like body odor due to the same bacteria found on human skin. This semi-soft cheese originates from Belgium and Germany and is especially pungent when fully ripened. As it matures, it develops a creamy texture and a strong aroma that intensifies over several weeks. People often compare the smell to dirty feet or damp towels left out for too long. It is traditionally served with rye bread, onions, and mustard, especially in parts of the United States. 8. Century egg. Century eggs are preserved duck or chicken eggs that are cured in a mixture of clay, ash, and salt. Despite the name, they are typically aged for several weeks to months, not an actual 100 years. The result is a jelly-like dark brown egg white and a creamy greenish yolk with a strong smell. Their odor is often compared to sulfur, ammonia, and mold, which turns off many first-time tasters. They are popular in Chinese cuisine and are served in rice porridge or sliced with pickled ginger. Though the smell is intense, the flavor is rich, salty, and complex once you get past appearances. Many people are intimidated by the look and scent, but locals appreciate them as a cultural delicacy. 9. Kusaya. Kusaya is a Japanese fish that is salted and dried using a centuries-old method involving a fermented brine. The fish is soaked in the same brine for generations, developing a powerful smell that is shockingly intense. When grilled, kusaya releases an odor so pungent that it is usually cooked outdoors to avoid complaints. People often describe the smell as rancid, sour, or resembling a garbage can left in the sun. Despite the odor, kusaya has a salty, umami-rich flavor that fans say is worth the initial reaction. It is typically served with sake or shochu to help balance the bold taste and extreme smell. 10. Tofu roux. Tofu roux, also known as fermented bean curd, is a Chinese delicacy often nicknamed cheese of Asia. It is made by aging tofu in rice wine, salt, and spices until it develops a strong smell. The scent is sharp, sour, and can resemble spoiled milk or even sweaty socks depending on the batch. Though it may smell uninviting, tofu roux melts in your mouth with a creamy and rich umami flavor. It is typically used as a condiment, spread on rice or porridge, or added to savory sauces. The fermentation gives it a bold character that appeals to those who enjoy powerful, acquired tastes. Tofu roux is deeply rooted in traditional Chinese cooking and is often made at home or sold in jars. It is proof that even the most foul-smelling foods can be beloved parts of everyday cuisine. As you can see, the world is filled with foods that challenge the nose before rewarding the taste buds. Each dish on this list carries a story of culture, history, tradition, and personal taste across generations. Smell is only one part of how we experience food, and it does not always reflect true flavor. What smells terrible to one person might be a treasured comfort food to someone from another culture. These foods remind us that flavor, memory, and identity often lie beyond our initial reactions to scent. Whether it is fermented, aged, or simply unusual, stinky food always sparks curiosity and conversation. Trying any of these requires courage, an open mind, and a strong stomach, sometimes literally. Would you dare to try any of these famously stinky dishes, or do you prefer your meals mild? If you enjoyed exploring these bizarre but beloved foods, we have many more cultural deep dives coming soon. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tasty and smelly adventures around the world.